Hi, this is B.V. Ramana. Welcome to B.V. Ramana English Grammar. In this video, I would like to share with you the topic Interchanging the degrees of comparison. What is interchanging the degrees of comparison? If we are able to write the same sentence in positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree without changing the meaning of the sentence, then the task is called interchanging the degrees of comparison. Here we discuss interchanging the degrees of comparison type 1 structures. In these type 1 structures, adjectives are used to compare more than two units. Look at the example 1. Here the adjective tall is used to compare more than two units, Ramu and other boys. Here we use the expressions the tallest for superlative degree, taller than any other for comparative degree, no other as tall as for positive degree. Look at the structures of type 1. Ramu is the tallest boy, superlative degree. Ramu is taller than any other boy, comparative degree. No other boy is so tall as Ramu or as tall as Ramu will be the positive degree. Here is example number 2. Here the adjective short is used to compare more than two units, Ramu and other boys. Here the expressions are used the shortest for superlative degree, shorter than any other for comparative degree, no other as short as for positive degree. Look at here the structures in type 1. The Ramu is the shortest boy, superlative degree. Ramu is shorter than any other boy, comparative degree. No other boy is so short as Ramu or as short as Ramu will be the positive degree. Look at the example number 3. Here the adjective beautiful is used to compare more than two units, Kashmir and other places. Here we make use of the expressions most beautiful for superlative degree, more beautiful than any other for comparative degree, no other as beautiful as for positive degree. Look at the structures in type 1. Kashmir is the most beautiful place in India, superlative degree. Kashmir is more beautiful than any other place in India is the comparative degree. No other place in India is as beautiful as Kashmir will be the positive degree. Here is example number 4. Here the adjective cool is used to compare more than two units, Kashmir and other places. Here the expressions we use the coolest for superlative degree, cooler than any other for comparative degree, no other as cool as for positive degree. Look at the structures in this type 1. Kashmir is the coolest place in India, superlative degree. Kashmir is cooler than any other place in India, comparative degree. No other place in India is so cool as or as cool as Kashmir will be the positive degree. Here you can find the example number 5. In this example, the adjective rich is used to compare more than two units, Madhu and other men. The expressions we used are the richest for superlative degree, richer than any other for comparative degree, no other as rich as for positive degree. Look at the structures in type 1 here. Madhu is the richest man, superlative degree. Madhu is richer than any other man, comparative degree. No other man is as rich as Madhu will be the positive degree. Here you can find the example number 6. In this example, we have used the adjective or to compare more than 2 units, Madhu and other men. Here the expressions we used are the poorest for superlative degree, poorer than any other for comparative degree, no other as poor as for positive degree. Here you can find the structures in type 1. Madhu is the poorest man will be the superlative degree. Madhu is poorer than any other man in comparative degree. No other man is as poor as Madhu will be the positive degree. Here is the exercise number 1 for more practice. In this exercise, the adjective fat is given to compare more than 2 units, Rani and other girls. In the next example, the adjective handsome is given to compare more than 2 units, Mohan and other men. In the third example, the adjective smart is given to compare more than 2 units, Jayaram and other boys. In the fourth example, the adjective clever is given to compare more than 2 units, Srinu and other boys. In the next example, the adjective big is given to compare more than 2 units, our school and other schools. And in the last example, the adjective large is given to compare more than 2 units, the Nile and other rivers. Now let us see how the answers are written in type 1 structures. Rani is the fattest girl, superlative degree. Rani is fatter than any other girl, comparative degree. No other girl is as fat as Rani will be the positive degree. Another example, Mohan is the most handsome man, superlative degree. Mohan is more handsome than any other man, comparative degree. No other man is as handsome as Mohan will be the positive degree. Find here some more answers. Jayaram is the smartest boy, superlative degree. Jayaram is smarter than any other boy, comparative degree. No other boy is as smart as Jayaram will be the positive degree. One more answer. Srinu is the cleverest boy, superlative degree. Srinu is cleverer than any other boy, comparative degree. No other boy is as clever as Srinu will be the positive degree. Here are some more sets of answers. Our school is the biggest school, superlative degree. Our school is bigger than any other school, comparative degree. No other school is as big as our school, positive degree. One more set of answers is the Nile is the largest river, superlative degree. The Nile is larger than any other river, comparative degree. No other river is as large as the Nile, positive degree. Here is the exercise number 2. Change the following into other degrees as directed. Here are the questions. Here you can find the answers. Here are the same questions but in different form. Choose the correct answer. Here are some more questions. Here are the remaining questions. Here are the answers for the questions. Do you think this video is useful to you? If it is so, please subscribe to my channel tapping this subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.